Are you looking to boost your strength, stamina, and overall performance naturally? In today's video, I'll show you 4 powerful exercises that every man should include in his routine. These moves help improve blood flow, core strength, endurance, and confidence, all without supplements or expensive equipment. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Squats. Squats are one of the best full-body exercises for men's performance. They strengthen your legs, glutes, and core while increasing testosterone-friendly muscle activation. Strong lower body muscles improve endurance and stability in daily life and workouts. Do 3 sets of 12-15 reps, keeping your back straight and core tight. Exercise 2. Push-ups. Push-ups build upper body strength and improve circulation throughout the body. They target your chest, shoulders, arms, and core at the same time. Better blood flow means better energy and performance. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 20 reps. If needed, start with knee push-ups and progress over time. Exercise 3. Plank hold. The plank is essential for building a strong core. A solid core improves balance, posture, and overall control, which plays a big role in men's performance. Hold a plank for 30 to 60 seconds, repeat for 3 rounds, and focus on slow, deep breathing. Exercise 4. Glute bridge. This exercise directly activates the glutes and lower back while improving hip strength and circulation. It also helps reduce lower body weakness caused by long sitting hours. Do 3 sets of 15 reps, squeezing your glutes at the top for maximum benefit. Perform these exercises 4 to 5 days a week. Combine them with proper sleep, hydration, and a healthy diet for best results. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below. Stay strong, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.